The maintenance required light on your Toyota Tundra serves as an important scheduled maintenance reminder. Understanding this system helps you maintain your vehicle properly and avoid unnecessary service visits. This light appears when your vehicle reaches predetermined service intervals, typically every 5,000 to 10,000 miles, or every 6 months, whichever comes first. It's crucial to understand that the maintenance required light is completely different from the check engine light. The maintenance light is simply a scheduled reminder, while the check engine light indicates actual mechanical problems that need immediate attention. After completing your scheduled maintenance, resetting the light is essential to ensure accurate future reminders. This prevents the system from giving you premature or delayed maintenance alerts. Modern Toyota Tundra models from 2022 onward feature advanced systems integrated with smart key technology and multi-information displays. These newer systems offer more sophisticated reset procedures compared to older generations. Keep in mind that reset procedures vary significantly between different Tundra generations. Always consult your owner's manual for the specific procedure that applies to your model year, as the steps can differ considerably between older and newer vehicles.